Okay, here we go with my setup for Boyle's Law. Got my syringe, which is up to 60 milliliters. That's a pretty serious syringe. It's like horse tranquilizer or something. I'm going to set the plunger to 60 milliliters, which remember, that's the close end of the plunger, right at 60 milliliters. And then I'm going to cap it off with the cap. All right, very good. Now, what am I going to do instead of with that? Let's see if I can get that all into frame there. Okay, so I'm going to do 6 trials. This is the first trial. The atmospheric pressure is just the atmospheric pressure of the room, which we can assume is 103,000 pascals. No, 101,000 pascals, something like it. Trial 2, I'm going to add a book. Trial 2, I'm going to add a book. You'll need a student to actually support this. So your students are going to have to work together. I'm going to add a book. So let's see if the book will support this. You could use a burette clamp if you wanted to. You could use a burette clamp in order to keep this steady. Or you can go all, you know, inexpensive like me and not spend any money on burette clamps and ring stands. Okay, so that looks like we're at 42 milliliters. Okay, now trial 3 is another book. We're going to let the weight of the book push down the syringe. Yeah, it's really tough, isn't it? So yeah, I would tell you, if you can find a burette clamp or something like that, I would do it. Clamp this to a ring stand or something like it. Okay. And try and hold it steady. But now I'm at 30, so I was at 40, now I'm at the 42, now I'm about 32. And I'm going to stack 5 books on this. So if you can get something to clamp this to and clamp it to a ring stand base, just stack the books up, and as the books stack up, you should get a smaller and smaller and smaller volume. Okay, now how are we going to take the weight of the books? And by the way, you need to know the weight of the books. How are we going to turn that into information about pressure? So we can do pressure and volume. Let's find that out.